Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make mashed potatoes with a McCormick Brown Gravy. I begin this recipe by getting my potatoes peeled because I'm going to boil them first. I continue by cutting the potatoes into smaller parts as this makes it easier for them to boil at a faster rate. I then add water to the chopped potatoes, not too much water, just to cover the potatoes. To this I add a bit of salt as I boil the potatoes until they get soft and strain them in the colander. Now it's time to get mashing those potatoes. Once I'm done mashing the potatoes, I start adding other ingredients like butter. You can also add sour cream or milk, but in this recipe I did not. I had a bit of chicken stock which I brought to a boil on the stove, and separately I added the gravy to about half a cup of water, gravy powder, and I stirred it while the broth was on the fire. I then added another pack of gravy, so that of course would thicken the mixture. Remember that this is in cold water, so it makes it easier for it to dissolve. This mixture was then added to the broth on the stove and stirred continuously. Now this mixture was on a low heat. Look how it's bubbling and it's a thick consistency. Of course, if you want yours to be more runny, you can add more water. Along with the mashed potatoes, I also had some delicious baked chicken. So here is the brown gravy, thick and delicious. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so, and also hit that like button.